After learning about the basics of electric circuit, students must be now ready to learn a new concept. The experiment using basic electric circuit would have taught them about open and closed circuit as well. Now is the time to learn about those materials that cause open and closed circuits. The materials that allow electricity to flow through them and those that don't. This is a circuit board designed by the Vishveshwaraya Technological Museum, Bangalore. Specially for students with visual impairment. The wires are stuck to the board, which helps in easy understanding of the circuit and its components and how they are wired. The battery terminals that are typically color-coded for sighted students is made accessible by marking the positive with a sticker. This is the placeholder to test materials if they allow electricity to flow through them or not. This is a beeper embedded within the circuit which beeps when the circuit is closed. All the connections can be seen by reversing the board to feel the connections. The materials that are used for testing are kept in the tray that includes a few household items, along with an aluminium rod, a wooden stick, and a plastic stick. A 9-volt battery with connectors, and some household materials. Before we begin the actual experiment, give enough time for students to explore all the materials. Let them understand how to connect the battery with connectors, know the positive and the negative terminals and the stickers with it. Let them connect the battery into the circuit by observing the stickers. Now that there is a source of power in the circuit, the beeper must beep, isn't it? But it is not beeping. Why? Let them think. They may spot the open part of the circuit, and that's where we will use the materials in the tray, one by one, to close the circuit. First we shall use a plastic stick. Place it in the placeholder and observe if the beeper beeps. It is not. That shows that the plastic stick is not allowing the electricity to flow through it. Now let's use the aluminium rod. The beeper is beeping, which means that the aluminium rod is conducting electricity and hence the circuit is closed. So this aluminium rod can be called a good conductor of electricity, while the plastic rod is called an insulator. Next we shall take the wooden stick and observe what happens when we place it in the placeholder. Did it close the circuit? Did the beeper beep? No. So the wooden stick is an insulator too. Now we can try with many other materials in the tray like this plastic pen. This is an insulator too. How about this metal spoon? A conductor it is. And this plastic spoon must be an insulator? Yes, it is indeed. And this paper? Is an insulator. Now this is a metal clip. And it doesn't fit the size given in the placeholder. How do we test it then? Let the students think and come up with an answer. Can you also think of how to test it?